This video is about the hydraulic filter in my machine. The brand is Land Hero. So this is the OEM filter, and I wanted a spare filter just in case I need it. So I ordered one from China, and this is the one they sent me. And you can see it's a pretty big size difference. This one is almost exactly 5.5 inches, and this one from the screw to the bottom is almost exactly 4.25 inches. It will work because the threads are exactly the same. I think these are parallel. I don't think they're a tapered thread, and it's 1 inch across. Well, 1.25 inches across. I use a thread gauge, and I'm pretty sure these are 11.5 inch thread per inch. Now, this one, I ordered it from China, and the total cost was $52. And the freight charge was $23 to get it from China, and the filter itself was $29. This is the model of the filter, and I Googled and Googled on that, and it doesn't come up with anything. Anyway, I'd like to find a less expensive alternative. I see that forklifts have a similar filter in them, but they're longer. They're 6.5 inches long, which would be too long. This one, I could just get this off and in without hitting the top of the filter. So 6.5 inches would not work. This is my thread pitch gauge, and it's very hard to tell the difference between 11 and 11.5, but 11.5 fits it better than the 11. So I put these at the peak of the thread, which makes it easier than having it sink into the thread. So 11.5 inch. One last thing, I had hand tightened this pretty tight when I installed it, and I could not get it out. So I had to make this tool with a ratchet. It's just a piece of aluminum with cutouts that fit the filter. And then I put a wrench on it. And this, I just drilled a hole that was close to the size of this extender, and then filed the corners and then hammered it on. Holes are the same, filter material is exactly the same. So that's it.